Hi, I'm Ivy and I'm with ErgoSync, and I chose this workshop because I want to know Dr. Jo's stuff and also her books, publication, and also her expertise deeper, because my company is planning to deploy AI workflow, and she is an expert in this area, and I would love to learn more about her insights. I really love insights giving us like the AI area in today. It was built up with like NVIDIA GPU and big data and also LLM, because it echoes what I learned at school, especially after school. When I enter a workplace, I'm a data engineer right now. So I use all of these tools every day, but you just give us very fundamental knowledge and skill we need to master in order to play safe in this AI area. I mean, the presentation today really gave me a brief idea and also a good fundamental concept where I can tell my boss and also share with my colleague, especially those stuff in your presentation. It shows like Grammarly and Perplex and also Cloud. How we as a basic, very beginner users, how we use these in our daily life, not just for our life, but also for our career and daily work, and also career development, and also a company workflow. So I really appreciate all the stuff shared. Yes, of course. Yeah, I would recommend the workshop, and more companies, they are trying to build up the AI workflow and also to deploy AI tools and also the system in their company. But nobody knows everything very well. So you are the master, you are the expert in this field. So I would recommend and to come to you and to ask for more insights, ensure that they have safe deployment. Yeah.